Hey there! In today's quick and easy video, I'm going to make breakfast. So I had a hankering for some spam and cheese omelets with some peppers and tomatoes and some diced onion. And I wanted some fried taters. So we're going to have to get started with them because they're going to take the longest. See you in a minute. Alright, so I've got some bacon grease already in the skillet. I'm ready to throw my potatoes in there. Want to get all of them in there. Okay. And I'm going to throw a little bit of spice on them. Should have had that ready, huh? I'll be back. So today I'm just going to use some lemon pepper on the potatoes. Give them a decent amount there. We'll cover them up because anything that grows underground you want to cook it while it's covered. And I'll be back. I thought I would give these a quick stir. And I'll be doing that quite a bit in the next half hour or so while I'm cooking these. Well, it's been a few minutes, but I'd let you see that we are making progress. Give them another stir. Cover them back up, and I'll be back in a little bit. The potatoes are done. I just turned off the heat, and I'm just going to keep the lid on them, keep them good and hot while I cook up the omelets. I'll be back in a minute. When you want to make omelets, you got to break some eggs. So, and I don't add milk. An older gentleman told me years ago that if you add water to your eggs, they come out really fluffy, and he was right. So, just a little bit of water. I'll stir that in. Get my heat going again. I'll turn it off. Okay. All right. Now, I'm going to spread the eggs around a little bit. Putting in my filling. Start with the spam. And this is gonna be so good. I can hardly wait. And then some peppers. And then I want some tomatoes. And I like a lot of tomatoes in my omelets. They make them so flavorful. I'll probably go a little bit heavy, but that's just my taste. I'm going to go with a little bit of salt and pepper. Helps bring out the flavor of the tomato. And last but not least is the cheese. And I try to put most of it in the center, because when you fold it, it's going to push it up to that side anyways. So, did I get the minced onion in it? I forgot the minced onion, didn't I? All right, and a sprinkle of minced onion just for extra flavor. And we're going to put our lid on that to help it cook. And I'll be back pretty soon. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over now. Oh, that smells so good. I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait. And you can see it's looking real pretty. I must have had too much weight in it because I'm breaking it up a little bit. But I'm going to cover it up again. Let it go a couple more minutes, and then we'll be putting it on the plate and eating it. Well, I believe this is finished. I got me some potatoes and put on my plate. Now all I need is my omelet. Throw that on there. Now my son told me that A1 is for potatoes. So I'm going to put some A1 on here too. I am so ready for this. So here goes. I got some A1 on my potato and my omelet and everything. Here goes nothing. Oh my goodness. All the different flavors from the omelet, and then the A1 just a tiny bit on the potato. Oh my goodness. That is really good. You're gonna love it, but only if you try it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, everybody. If you get any value, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day now. Bye-bye.